We're at the ADA +2 mobile restroom trailer. It features one fully handicap accessible restroom and two standard restrooms. We're going to show you a little bit about setup and how to use it, but first let's take a quick tour. To get the ADA landing in position, remove the 9/16 bolt that holds this in place and slowly pivot it down. Once you have all your parts removed from the handicap accessible room, you're going to set the landing down into position. As you start to set the ramp up, you have two options. You can either come off to the front of the trailer or out to the side. The ramp sections plug into the C-channel that's mounted to the end of the ramp here. Set that one in place. Make sure your leveling legs are adjusted properly, and then you can grab the next one. And finish it off with the entrance ramp. Once you finish setting up the ramp system, you want to install all the rails. These are marked down on the bottom of the leg of each railing. Once you finish installing all the rails, you can take the star knobs that come with it to lock those in. To set up the entrance on the standard restrooms, pick up the handrail, flip it into position, and it locks down. Your step will be located inside on the floor. We'll grab this and the two pins necessary to lock it in. Take the step, get it into position here, and with the pins, I'm going to lead that right through. Repeat process on the other side. If you need to adjust the legs for level, you can swivel these. This unit is equipped with two 125 volt 30 amp receps here. Simply flip this open, take your power cord, plug it in, give it a little twist, and you'll lock that right down. Inside here, once you've plugged in your electrical connections, you have your breaker panel, which will control all of your components inside that are 120 volt. So for water, you've got two options. City water fill, where you plug the garden hose connection in here. If you're plugged into city fill, you do not need the onboard fresh water pump. If you want to run off of the optional 100-gallon freshwater system that's included with this unit, take the cap off of the freshwater tank located inside the service closet and run your hose in there to fill the tank. Once your tank is full, you can flip the freshwater pump on with your switch located over here to make sure that you pressurize the unit. This unit is equipped with a lowering system that is done by 3 electric jacks. Those jacks are located 2 inside the service closet, 1 up on the A-frame, and that allows this suspension system to pivot up and down and come off of the shackles here. And so you do have to take the pressure off of the system, remove the safety pin in order to get it to lower down like this. The switches are located in here. They're labeled on the top. You've got left, right, and front, and you simply rock those switches to raise or lower the trailer. The standard restrooms on the ADA +2 feature a pedal flush toilet, a single temperature metering faucet, and with all of the rooms on this specific unit, they have a toe kick heater in there to help maintain temperature. In the handicap accessible stall, it features your full 60-inch turning radius, so it is wheelchair accessible. A nice porcelain sink with a single temperature metering faucet. The handicap accessible stall also features a full flushing porcelain toilet with grab handles around to meet ADA code requirements.